Ever find yourself gazing at stars, asking the universe, "What's my purpose?" Ah, the grand quest for purpose, a journey as old as humanity itself. From philosophers to poets, everyone has pondered this age-old question. What's my passion? What's my purpose? Imagine being in a supermarket. Aisle after aisle, there's a dizzying array of options, from cereals to candies. But what do you do when you're not sure what you're hungry for? You wander aimlessly, pushing your cart in circles, maybe even bumping into a few displays. Sounds familiar? Well, that's life without a clear purpose, a supermarket of choices but no idea what to pick. Having a purpose or a passion gives direction to our lives. It's like having a shopping list in the supermarket of life. It helps us navigate through the maze of options, making choices that satisfy our soul's hunger. So, how do you find this elusive purpose? Let's embark on this journey together. Step 1 to finding your passion, self-reflection. It's like looking in a mirror, but instead of seeing your bed hair, you see your soul. Now don't worry, this isn't some mystic, transcendental journey we're embarking on. It's about getting to know yourself, your likes and dislikes, your strengths and weaknesses. It's about asking yourself some questions and honestly answering them. Consider this. What activities make you lose track of time? Is it painting, writing, solving complex equations, or maybe just helping others? These are the activities that ignite a spark within you. Now here's another one. What would you do even if you didn't get paid for it? Would you still create art, solve problems, or lend a helping hand? These are the things that define your values, your interests, and your skills. Once you have a list of your interests and skills, you're one step closer to finding your passion. Step 2, exploration. Now this isn't about going on a jungle safari, but about venturing into the wild of your interests. Imagine yourself as an explorer, map in hand, ready to traverse the vast landscape of possibilities that lie within your reach. How do you start? Well, the world is your oyster, and your interests are the pearls. Dive into different fields that pique your curiosity. You might be surprised by what you find. Ever thought about painting? Give it a whirl. Heard about that coding workshop your friend can't stop talking about? Why not give it a shot? Or that woman at the coffee shop who's a marine biologist? Strike up a conversation. Sometimes our passions are hidden in the most unexpected corners, waiting to be discovered. So be bold, be adventurous, be curious. Remember, discovering your passion is a journey, not a destination. Step 3, commitment. This isn't a romantic proposal, but it's just as important. Commitment, the invisible binding force that holds your pursuit of passion together, is your ticket to the ride of your life. It's not just about saying, "I'm going to find my passion." It's about rolling up your sleeves, digging deep, and saying, "I'm ready to work for it." Think of commitment as the fuel that powers your exploration. Without it, your vehicle of discovery will sputter and stall. It's about dedication, patience, and understanding that finding your passion may not happen overnight. It may take weeks, months, or even years. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your passion be. Commitment is the promise you make to yourself, that no matter how long it takes or how rocky the road gets, you won't give up. Finding your passion isn't a magic trick. It's a commitment to yourself and your happiness. So, we've navigated through the steps of finding your passion. Feeling enlightened yet? Let's take a quick sprint back through the path we've just traversed. We started with self-reflection, that deep dive into the essence of who you are. Remember, it's about understanding your interests, values, and skills, and how they mesh together. Then, we journeyed into the realm of exploration. That's your chance to test the waters, to dip your toes into different areas, and see what resonates with you. Remember, it's not about right or wrong choices, it's about discovery. Finally, we arrived at commitment. This is where you take that leap of faith, fully immersing yourself in the passion you've identified. But remember, commitment isn't a one-time deal. It's a continuous process of growth and evolution. And through it all, patience is your trusted companion. It's a journey, not a race. Remember, your purpose is out there waiting for you, so don't just wait for it to knock on your door. Go out there and find it.